This was literally so insanely easy to program. I was a little concerned for no reason at all. The first thing is you need to make sure that you can locate the learn button on your garage door opener. So it's going to be up here on this box. And then once you figure out what color yours is, so like in this case, mine is purple. So once you figure out which color yours is, you can go back to the instructions and you can actually look at the one specific for yours. So this is the purple and brown learn button instructions. So I just followed these to the T, had no issues at all, had this program in less than a few minutes. So you just punch in your 4-digit code and then you hit enter. And boom, garage door comes up. So typically whenever I want to close it, I would just press enter. I feel like just pressing the enter button has been a little bit wonky. That piece has not been perfect. So I'm still figuring that part out. But as far as getting it to open, no issues.